wrong workshop. We're not going there, but we are going to go here, vagus. All right. So vagus nerve is VAGUS. It can be thought of as a superhighway. The vagus nerve connects your body systems, your internal organs, to your brain. It's often thought of as the heart of the nervous system. And as I mentioned a moment ago, it is the 10th cranial nerve. The cranial nerves are the set of, there's 12 of them actually, and they're in pairs. And these are nerves that exit the cranium or the skull. And just in case you were wondering, what is it? This is the 10th one, the vagus. It's the longest and the most complex of the 12 pairs of the cranial nerves that emerge from the brain. It transmits information to and from the surface of the brain to tissues and organs within the body. The vagus nerve functions as part of the parasympathetic nervous system, and its health and function drives our wellness or our disease states. Healing and optimal health are most accessible when our parasympathetic nervous system is dominant. Okay, guess what? You've been sitting for a while. Let's take a moment before we continue on with this vagus nerve. Let's take a moment to stand up for a second, or change position, or take a sip. So hold tight. If you like, you can follow along with me. I'm going to stand tall, ground the feet, and inhale, reach the arms up, and exhale, bring the arms out to the side. Inhale, reach up, and exhale. Inhale, reach up, and exhale. And if you choose, you can move the body around. Make sure you look around. Don't knock anything over. Just breathe, bend your knees. Some of you will stretch down. Maybe you're still sitting in your chair. Do think about getting off the chair for just a moment and just take a moment to rotate and twist. Maybe firm the thighs, firm the buttocks, and take a stretch. Maybe one hand along the side of your body and breathe. Notice how your breathing is happening right now. Inhale. Take and stretch to the other side and breathe. Inhaling and exhaling. Give yourself a little hug. That could stimulate some oxytocin. You know, right now with COVID, we don't really have a lot of people that we can hug, but hopefully